Good evening, YouTube. It's the Ghost out with the Losi NASCAR GT. Picking up, start, stop, read, 0, start, stop, read. Zeroed out, start. Connected. Let's drop it off. Let's see what the NASCAR got. Right there. All right, get it dropped off. 3S parallel hit, Losi NASCAR. Which way is pulling? Thought I fixed it. To the right side. Turn around. Which way is it going? Bring it on in. Let's bring it on in. We got it straight. New road, so. Alright, bring it on in. Alright. Controlled out. Let's get it. Losi NASCAR GT 3S parallel. See what they got. See what it got. 3S parallel. See what she got. 3S parallel. Losi NASCAR GT. See what this thing can do. Let's get it, fellas. 3S. See what she got. Clear. Alright. Get it turned on around. Get it turned on around. She was rolling. 3S parallel. See what she did. She's back. Still picking up. Yep. Still picking up. Stop. Read. 118, fellas. 118. 3S. Losi NASCAR. World's fastest 3S Losi NASCAR GT. 118 miles an hour. Screenshot that. 118 on 3S. I'm gonna pop the top, let y'all see it's 3S parallel. Losi NASCAR. 118 3S. Let's pop the top, let y'all see. 3S parallel. She drove beautiful. 3S parallel, 118. Let's pop the top real quick. Let y'all see what we're working with. <sighs> 118 on 3S, good hit. Good hit. Packs wasn't warmed up or nothing either. No warming the packs up right there that time. This came from seeing my grandson be born and got a PB. Thank you, Caston. My grandson made me cash out today. Sexy Red did it. Shout out to Sexy Red. 3S, RC Ghost, Night Running King is back. World's fastest 3S Losi NASCAR GT. Shout out to Cyberdex, my boy, up in Connecticut. We talk for hours throughout the week. There she goes, fellas. We hit the lights. As y'all can see, parallel, red to black, black to red. Hold on, let me pull these packs out. So we got 3 wires, 3 black, 1 red. Hold on. Three black, 1 red. The parallel connector is connected to the ESC. I got it wrapped so I can fit my batteries. But that's what it is. 118. Y'all see it. 3S. World fastest Losi NASCAR on 3S. There we go, fellas. We'll see y'all soon. Peace. RC Ghost, Night Running King. We got to go. It's checkout time. 118 3S Losi NASCAR GT. Let's get it. 4,062 feet. Peace. Night Running King. RC Ghost. We got to go.